Okay, hello class. My name is Jessica, and for this assignment for tutorial, I chose to show you guys how to do a Texan portrait. This Texan portrait is relatively simple, and I believe that we can do this in under 5 minutes. So this is the finished product. I already have it done, but we're going to start fresh with a different picture here, which actually, no, it's the same picture. It's just in a different document. So all you need to do is just choose a black and white picture that you like. It can be of a celebrity. It can be of yourself. I just chose Audrey Hepburn because she's a classic idol, and I find that the end product looks very nice. Okay, so one of the first things to do after you choose your picture is to choose the text that you want in the picture. I chose quotes that Audrey has said throughout her lifetime, and I just pasted it on this Word document here. We will come back and copy that in a moment, but first let's add a new layer under here. After we have our first layer, we are going to fill it in using the paint bucket tool and the color black. So all we have to do is just click, and the paint bucket fills the layer with black. Fairly simple. Next thing that we should do is add text. So we're going to click at the top of the picture. We're going to cover it all and let the text horizontal type toolbox cover it. So now we're going to take the text that we have here, and we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it. So here is how it looks so far. The text actually should be white, so we're going to go up here and we're going to change it to white. So now we can see the text, but we cannot see our first picture. So after that, we come down here and we add a mask. So after we add a mask, we come back to the background picture. Let me close these out so that we can see it. And we're going to click on the Control-Alt to select the picture. So after we have the picture selected, we will use Control-C to copy it. Then we go back here to this mask area and we click on the mask, the white area as a mask, and we hit Alt until we get a white blank canvas. So after this, in order to paste the original picture onto this vector mask here, we will use Control V. That way, when we make the layers visible, we have a text in portrait. Now, in order to make this look a little bit better, we're going to duplicate the layer. We'll just call it copy. Or, no, let's do layer copy. And after that, I just do Control D to deselect everything. After that, you can move the opacity levels if you want a little bit. So it could be a little bit darker, a little bit lighter. You know, it's up to you. But that is it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much.